Hello everyone, welcome to our show. Today I'm going to try salmon fry. So I've got one piece of salmon here and I'm taking a little bit of salt, keeping it on the side, and a little bit of pepper powder. And now I'm going to mix both salt and pepper. Mix it completely and then apply it all over the fish on both sides. And next thing, I'm using lime juice. I've got 2 lime juice. Now I'm going to apply a little bit on the upper side and as well as on the lower side. And the remaining lime juice, I'm going to use it while cooking. So now we can keep this aside. I'm taking a frying pan, turn on the heat on a medium flame, and I'm using unsalted butter to fry the fish. Wait until the butter is melted completely. So the butter is melted now, so just keep heating until you see this butter turning into light brown in color. And now I'm going to add our fish. The lime juice. Now let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes, and after 3 to 4 minutes again turn the fish to the other side and again let it cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. And in the meantime I'm adding the remaining lime juice. And occasionally add the juice all over the fish. Keep doing this occasionally. So it's been 4 minutes. I'm going to turn the fish to the other side. Just carefully do it, don't break the fish. There you go. And again add the juice all over the fish. Keep doing this so that the fish gets cooked well with the butter and lime juice. So it's been 4 minutes, so I'm going to turn off the heat. Our fish should be cooked properly by this time. And I just transferred our fish to a plate, and that extra butter and lime juice, whatever that is left out, I'm adding it to the plate. And a little bit of cilantro for garnishing. So our fish fry is ready. So please give a try and leave your feedback in the comment section. Thanks for watching, guys.